guys. Hello guys. This is my Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and I'm going to show you the secret password for the smart view. So you go to settings on your phone, or you just go to the menu and go to settings here. So on settings, click on the connected devices. On connected device, you click on smart view. So on smart view, this is how it looks like. So on smart view, sorry. So on smart view, you click on the three dots here. You click on the three dots here. So that's settings. Click on the settings. So you have another view like this. So you see about smart view. You click on about smart view. You'll get this screen pop up. So you so you're going to tap on this 9 times or 10 times. You want to tap on it 9 or 10 times. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. My 10th number, I had it. So actually right now I have two different passwords that I'm going to try on, and I think one of them will work. So let's hit this button, press pound 00SV00, then click OK. It says wrong password, right? But 3 days ago I used this password and it worked. So let's change it to a different one. So the next one is pound 00RTSP00. Voila, we are in. Samsung think they are wise. We are also learning. So guys, I'll be giving you more tips like this, so stay tuned. So here you just click on the second start second screen. So this is it, start second screen. So this the next window that you'll see. So you can either choose drawing, game, or video. They all work. So basically I always use the video, then I connect to my PC or my laptop or my TV. Thank you.